Reasons why you can't keep cats as pets when you have parrots. Cats are natural predators, and their instincts can be triggered when they see small animals. The presence of a cat in the same household can cause stress and anxiety for parrots, even if they seem friendly or indifferent towards your parrots initially. They might suddenly become aggressive or territorial, posing a threat to the safety of your birds. Even if your cat is healthy, there is still a risk of transmission through contact or exposure to feces, saliva, or urine. Cats are agile climbers and can easily reach your parrots' cages, especially if they are not secured in a separate room or with a barrier. Cats are known for their independent nature and can exhibit unpredictable behavior. For the safety and well-being of both your parrots and any potential cats, it's generally recommended to keep these two pests separate and ensure the living environment is safe and stress-free. Thanks for watching.